All right, so number 6 is asking us to complete the square. So we need to move the c term over to the right-hand side. So we're going to subtract the 7 over. So that's going to give us x squared minus 6x. I'm going to leave a place so I can complete the square. And then negative 7 and a positive 3 give me negative 4. All right, so now I need to go to my b term, which is a negative 6. I need to divide it by 2 and then square it. So dividing it by 2 gives me 3, and then 3 squared gives me 9. And then I need to BS it. I also need to both sides it, so I need to also add 9. I also need to add 9 over here. All right, I can factor the left-hand side. I'm finding two numbers that multiply to 9 that add or subtract to negative 6. So let's try 3 and 3. And both of them are going to have to be negative. So I am going to say x minus 3. And instead of writing it 2 times, I'm just going to say squared is equal to negative 4 plus 9, which happens to be a positive 5. All right, now I'm going to have to take the square root of each side, so that leaves me with x minus 3 is equal to radical 5. And then I'm going to have to get x by itself by adding 3 to both sides. And because they aren't like terms, I can't put them together, so I'm going to say 3 plus or minus radical 5.